YouTube. I had to hurry up and get out here. Look at that right there. See that peach? That's why I had to hurry up and get out here. For the first time on video, Elberta peach. I'm gonna get some peaches. Come with me on this journey. Hey, homeboy. Yo. Yeah, I keep feeding you. Okay, look what we have here. And this is just one tree. Look at all these peaches. Up, around, down there, over here. And today is August, what is today? August the 7th. And I can honestly say the 4 years this tree has been in ground, 3 of those years it fruited. And this is the first time I've ever had this many fruit this late. Actually, all the fruit was gone by July. So I'm ahead of the curve, I guess. I don't know. But, ooh. Wow, look at that. And what I'm doing is I'm feeling for softness. And if it gives away a little bit, it comes with me home. That is still hard. Here's one that I protected from bugs. Yeah, I'm very excited. I've had this tree maybe 5 years. The first year was in a pot. And then I moved it around the yard, and then I decided to bring it over here. And when I bought these, I bought actually these 2 trees at the same time. This one, and I forgot what kind of peach this is. I think over here is my Hell Haven. And this year did not get any fruit because of we had a late frost, and that killed a lot of the flowers. That tree must have protected this tree. And the same with my Indian blood peach. One of the trees didn't produce and the other one produced like crazy. Now, are we gonna be able to eat all these? No, no way are we gonna be able to eat all this. I was waiting for them to turn much redder, but it has a slight blush. Oh yeah. And the fact that the squirrels left us some this year. Oh, look at that, they're falling off the tree. Look down here. All this right here is squirrel. It was worse than this a year ago. It was worse than this 2 years ago. These are gonna have to come up because you don't want peaches under your tree like this because they cause diseases, and you don't want that. Also have to be careful because you look at this right here, that's real hard, and that's probably because a boring bug got in there and the juices came out. So you got to be careful when you picking your own peaches because you could have bugs in there. And I know you don't want to eat bugs. I don't want to eat the bugs. I think next year what I'm going to do is I probably will bag them up sooner than later to prevent the bugs from nibbling on them. Let's put those here. Once we get these in the house, we're gonna wash them, of course. Probably wind up soaking them, so if any kind of bugs are in them, they'll come out. This is, like I said in my previous video, this is uncharted territory. I've never had picked so many of my own fruit. I mean, this is a record for me. I've never picked this many fruit. So it's like I kind of don't know what to do with them. I think we're gonna can them. We're gonna make I'm gonna make some peach ice cream. I'm gonna make some peach lemonade. We're gonna freeze a lot of it once we dice it up. I'm gonna give a lot away, family and friends. May even give some away to the neighbors. What else are we gonna make? Oh, it'd be interesting if I try to make peach wine, peach cake, peach upside down cake. Have you ever had pineapple upside down?
Yes. put the pineapple first.
Uh-huh. So this will be peach. I've never had peach upside down cake. Feel that texture. Squeeze it. That's right when you want them. Right there.
Ooh.
Yeah.
It smells
You smell them?
amazing.
You smell it? Wow.
Of course.
I can't smell it.
Oh, the old area
Oh,
smells peach.
you smell the whole? Wow. Something must be wrong with my sniffer.
Yeah, I know.
I don't smell any peaches.
Just old,
But
old the nose.
old nose. Okay. I'm going to the other side. They say that you can tell the peaches are ready, 1, by color when they start turning red, 2, by texture, the feel, and 3, the smell. Yeah, I don't smell them. Wow. I think my nose is burnt out.
Okay then.
If you're not gardening, you got to get into it, because this right here, this is very rewarding. Very rewarding. We've never tasted Elberta before, but we're gonna try it, and we're gonna do it for the first time with you all. We're gonna invite you all to our taste test for these. Stay tuned.